Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. My name is Emma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So about 2 weeks ago or so I did this look and I'll put on the screen right now. Now this was for the Makeup Revolution Creator Revolution and this theme was sink or swim. So I drew some koi fish, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but I think that's how you say them. The koi fish on my face, and I had a few comments as well on my Instagram post to do a tutorial of how I drew them. And they are actually really quite simple to draw, so I find them quite simple. So I just thought I would do a video today to show you guys how I draw them, but I'm going to be doing it on my eye today and do a little eye look with them because I think these fish are so cute and yeah. So if you're interested in how I draw them on my face or eyes or whatever, then please continue watching. Okay, so I have done my face makeup and I've also put on some eyeshadow to go underneath the fish. And so I've done blue, so it's a bit like the sea. So I'm going to turn the camera around and zoom in so you guys can see, and we'll start the tutorial. Okay, so we are all zoomed in now, so we can start onto drawing the fish. So I'm going to be going in with the Meron Paradise Paint palette, and I'm going to be mixing some shades to get the different oranges and reds and everything. But yeah, let's get into it. So the first shade I'm going to take is a white on a Peaches and Cream PC45 brush, and we're just going to use this white to draw the outline of the fish. Okay, so obviously it looks quite messy right now, but we've got the shape down. So this is kind of the shape we've got to draw down, and then start to draw little like fins coming off as well. So I'm just going to repeat that going around here as well, and then I'll be back. Okay, so now that we have the shape down for both of the fish, I'm going to go in with a light kind of cream orangey shade. I'm not too sure how to explain it, but I'm going to go in with, I've mixed a bit of light orange, yellow and white to make this shade. So I'm just going to go in with this one and start to kind of add some random blotches all over both of the fish. And it doesn't have to be very neat, it can be quite messy, but you just got to trust the process. Okay, so I feel like it's already starting to kind of look like the koi fish. So we've gone in with that light orange, and now I'm just going to add some more dark orange into the shade. So it just keeps getting darker. So I'm going to do the exact same and add some like blotches of this darker orange colour. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to do the exact same but with a red as well. Now I do mix this red with a tiny bit of orange just so it isn't so bright. So we're going to go in and do the exact same with this red orange shade. Okay, so now we have all of our colour down, and I'm just going to go in back with 3 colours and kind of add some more detailing as well. And I'm also going to go in with a black to just add some of the eyes as well. And I'm taking this Suva Beauty brush that came from their UV Taffies palette. So it's quite a really tiny brush, and I'm just going to add some details. Okay, so there we have it. That is my little koi fish. That is how I draw them. Obviously, it is a bit easier when you do have like it on your face because there's more space for you to put the detailing in. But there we go. I'm just going to finish the other eye and also maybe add some like bubble detailing and pearls maybe. And I'll be back to show you the finished look. Okay, so I have just popped on some of the Unicorn Cosmetics Glow Up Lashes, and this is the final look. I also completely forgot to mention the inspo for this look, so I'll put her on the screen right now. She is so talented, so please make sure that you check her out as well. So this look is inspired by her. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you recreate this look, then please make sure to tag me over on Instagram. And as always, please make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, and also check out my Instagram at EmmaFordXO. Thank you everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.